Normally I make food for people, but today I'm making dog treats with my dog, Lady Genevieve. The recipe will be down below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Being a good girl. Hey, no. Yep. Almost done. Good girl. Jenny, come back. Come on, want to finish the recipe? Come on. No? All right. Next, you're going to pour your mixture into some dog treat shaped molds. The mold I have didn't really work that well. I would recommend using a silicone mold if you can find it. Just be a lot easier when you're taking them out of the freezer. So you're going to pour these in, and then you're going to freeze them in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours, or preferably overnight. You want to try your treats? We couldn't get them out of the mold, but it looks like you like them. Jenny, come on. Well, Jenny, you like them, don't you?